sika, planting for food and jobs. Eko dia serious, need chassis bium. Enter aboard here, at the Bremo last year. I said when I'm cooking, I see him from 10 days. When I will chassis one. Dr. Afriyie Akoto, Eko dia serious, enter aboard here, need chassis bium. At the Brian. Oh, no, Sako Jani need chassis. Because Obumuni Anquasia for say I'm to Obamano. Because what was serious now, no, any sika. And Yanto Abamano, no my flag bearer of NPP, no my Tuaso. Crown for saying, when the full chest, I'm saying it again, in the chastity. Almost I'm a family call, in the chastity. Or could you serious, et about here? Dr. Afriyie Akoto, could you a Greek ministry could be serious? Et about here last year, November, no more the body, Bramo. Because they take you people for fools. And then I catch them. Someone in your back of catch them. Make me say me. I'll sacrifice myself for this country. And if I die, celebrate me like a hero you didn't have. Maybe I can't, you know. I would sound catch them say, if your shas nigga have been paid to come and sabotage me. Maybe I catch them say papa ne bobo musika no. And they are called president D. I said it last year. Did I lie? Did I lie? Dr. Afriyie Akoto didn't chance to review. What's your mind? One for your serious number. What resign the call? And because this country's got no accountability and no respect for no motherfucker Ghanaian, Afriyie Akoto and the Namho, it's me a bold with the full chest. You're serious one, huh? Didn't account for shit. Shirts were unaccounted for. Eko John said, Yan MPP flag bearer because Obuye 9. Joria Yana so. Yan for Sunon Mano. Now one for Sunimeti so. Stop voting for stupid people. Stop it. Stop. Me say MP Biara. What's up Parliament 8 years? It was so Nebusia Fufu Muni Paba. Masa, Ghana sika, Ghana sika, Ghana sika. And it's about time you're making sure, sir, Sikano, and call Afia. Me, I'm telling you, I'm in Peppy. But it is no. Me, I'm one, but tell me, Tramonto. Who say when you try to see a vegetable, no, but to I mean, I can say, Pinesa. And Pia, what the 8 years, Bia must get the fuck out of Parliament. Na yamfa MP from ra Ghana sika. It's about time we share the money equally because now we know Obiwie university no about politics more 4 years no ye men can be am compare boys no Sami Jemfimo mon fan compare omu mates omu ni omu wie school mon compare Sami Jemfimo omu mates omu ni omu wie school near obi ba politics man 4 years no ye and they say yen nara they will kill me. They can't kill me. I will kill them before they kill me. I will kill them before they'll kill me. Only chassis they kill. One boys go street and also check me. You're not scared of them. The money is for everybody. And you know what we were about to do? Take the motherfuckers out. MPBA, what the 2 term of Parliament does not deserve to be there. Uncle as Gracia, we must circulate the wealth. Constituency be annual say we are circulating the wealth. Jobe kumin mi fear me kokuma say, Besham ma be fear on the community trust. Tabe who say, Ukrainian man, Ukrainian man. I hit like a pot because the bullshit and the foolishness in this country must end. It must end. And people feel sad as a Ghana no more rights and they to me and they've earned it. Motherfucker who vote here back home. And I mean here back home. We must show them Pepe because these people they don't respect us. Obian Surobia. We will spit the facts, the truth, with no fear or favor. People are suffering in this country. People are suffering. Minya, you don't know. And it's a boy also will go through a lot. A boy. Oh my kind of a boy. See, a boy has someone to a day. And Timakacha says she's going through a lot. Now, me will go to Kolabo and see. Obia wo because of 500 Ghana and Tino. Yes, season one no and then a back. Now, do your mamma or mukwa, yet me to V8, 8, 10, edu machino. Yet tomba qua $120,000. A two speedboat, we brought 30. Mamba kwa tuaba momo. Moba kwa tuaba momo. Said ya beya, ensure efa moma, ya beba mo 10,000 Ghana because omubumo mwa. Omubumo emwa. I have said it with my foot. I don't give a fuck about any human being. I'm saying it again. And if I die today, bitch, I ain't dying tomorrow. And depending on most man so me come in there, he better come prepared. Cause me, every day, stop making other people's uncles and their aunties rich. Stop making them rich. Can you forget our fast, baby? A friend my class, I be there. Sika boy. Small boy. Power. They know their relatives. They fucking don't know you. Muna Shimino. Nah. Yeah, the MPP they try with from anyone there. What the who are flagging the crime who are that castle? Muna Shimino. Mama was party now see a detail of woman. Flag and party flag a crime fan to other castle. Timuna Shimino. In parliament for 8 years. Sack them the way they sack. Aren't you surprised that when Pete won a passing he levy? Aren't you surprised? A Jew Samuko pass it lost. Near Momuka Credia. They forget that they're in opposition. They forget the reason why we didn't vote for Sumasi and we voted for them. I said sack them. Sack all of them. They don't deserve to be there. They don't need to be there running business with Yate committee are eradicating malaria. Yate committee are solving electricity problem. I will chroma. I solve it. Yate committee and discuss your car IGP wants them. Yate committee to eradicate malaria in this country. Patrick, Yate committee ana. Yate committee are eradicating malaria with chroma. And we Yate committee I solving unemployment. Ewo chroma. Yate committee I solving unemployment. Unemployment in this country. Until I 22 years. I 22 years. It's me kuni madam. I didn't call Johnny because a come wo chroma. A come. Mesa Busamo. Yate committee I solving unemployment with chroma na. Yate committee I eradicating malaria. Yate committee I solving electricity problem. I will chroma. I solving senko for eduma. Yate committee because Yaka IGP wants them. Who the fuck is Dampare? Who the fuck? CSC to Dampare TDA. Liman crying to no. Liman I am called to Waba. I am the president. Oman to Nana. Not Dampare will be the Afriyie appointed. No. Yate committee. I did a clinic room because everything and the Kuyonka, everything. The flooding, the choking, everything. Yate committee, I did Fiana. Sanitation minister, I had a week, the support. Or no send 1 million a year. When you go for Japadia and your said will come because of choking. Yate committee, I did solve the choking and now. Did somebody help Maame Nini say? Abradapa. Did somebody held her responsible and son or resigning and nah? Don't you think the flooding in this country is because of filth? If the politicians care about you, some politicians almost didn't want to say they made so no public drink and one. The Ate committee air service our problem, nana. Yeah, committee of inquiry. How to eradicate filth from Accra. Yate committee, I doing flooding one. Yate committee, I doing flooding. And then I'm Ghana a flooding. And then Tina, and so eto krom ha. Yenya asubie. I know people that when it rains they can't go home. Me I know people. Na me take do me kwa me. Na me take Pilatu ye fear bridge no. And so no. The Christian Village Bridge. And so no. Who Kroma no ape hotel be ada. Who feel so no forget it. But 3 days they will for wako baby. Yate wo committee. Yate committee say obi akoka say na IGP ye nyina on be wi abem IGP o ho ne wi abem IGP to me be no ne omo anadi ni si ho. They say about to Kofie Kwatwen. You to abawi abaduma kwade no be. It's IGP above Konkonsa. Motherfucker. Yenka president wants him. Na do na ye kosa like to abama no mon kan wants him na. Ya chewo committee. Wait. Ye the taxpayers money yay. Chese kwa ma me twe for 30 seconds pe na mo jimi. It is what it is. Now I'm going to America. Say me ko wari Jimmy. Say there. We green na back record. And so fucking what? Wait. Yeah, the committee there. Yeah, she show me here then. Me ba cho ye free committee. E wo Ghana no. E mo de anya ho result. So ja for na me di wo mo ya ho. Me dey so ja for mo ya pa because other Ghana so ja for no. O mo ja ya bobo. And yeah. Would you party Asia? And when I was a soldier, you have done anything. You are winning one no atopa and go for girls because the echo sweet and I was a soldier for me and sack. Ever Bible. No more preaching. I was a soldier for Bible. Maybe your mother. Corinthians chapter 3, verse 7. Yes, you know. As a young civilians, they are ready. I try to soldier for Bible, may preaching. Omontia obia no musi ho no mo dia dane asa we buza pena say what's the responsibility of a soldier? I said dancing and carrying corpse and blowing trumpet at a funeral. Mama Rose